I greet everyone at home for this season, and then I thank you for always being there to watch this video, Yoruba Gbode, from your regular host, Oluremi Afolabi. This is a channel that we take good care of your Yoruba speaking fluently, and we teach ourselves as well Yoruba language, Yoruba culture, and Yoruba grammar, so that we can know and understand the language. And that is not enough. We look at around us, things around us, and how we can pronounce it in Yoruba language fluently. These are what this platform is all about. And don't forget, I've started talking about good relationship between landlord and tenant. I'm still on the same video. I just want us today to see and teach ourselves how we can pronounce some common words between landlord and tenant. Some common words between landlord and tenant. Mo kí gbogbo wa pátápátá nínú ilé, lọ́kùnrin, lóbìnrin, lọ́mọdé, lágbà. Mo ní ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa yìí kan náà, Yoruba Gbode, látọwọ́ èmi ọ̀rẹ́ yín Oluremi Afolabi. Lórí ètò yìí náà mọ̀, Yorùbá náà là ń kọ́ra wa láṣà, kọ́ra wa lédè, kọ́ra wa literature, àwọn gbogbo àyíká wa, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wo là ń bá pàdé, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wo là ń bá pàdé, báwo la ṣe ń pè wọ́n lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àti lédè Yorùbá, ká lè gbọ́ Yorùbá yìí, ká lè mọ̀ ọ́ sọ dáradára. Tẹ́ bá wá gbàgbé o, ní fídíò tó kọjá a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti wo Ayalegbe àti Onile, bí wọ́n ṣe yẹ kán ṣe wà, kọjọ bára wọn ṣe pọ̀, láì wò pé Yorùbá ni mí, Haúsá ni mí, ẹ ti wà nínú ilé kan náà, ọmọ ìyá kan náà ní èdè Yorùbá nìyẹn. Lónìí a wá fẹ́ wo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá ń bá pàdé láàárín Ayalegbe àti Onile. Now let's start today's video. Some common words between the tenants and landlord. So when we are talking about tenant and landlord, we cannot but talk about to let, or let's say to borrow. Or do we say borrow? No, to let. That's the word we can use when you are talking about house. That means oya, o fẹ́ yá ilé, to let, o fẹ́ yá. From who? From the landlord or landlady. Onile, bóyá lọ́kùnrin tàbí lóbìnrin. You, a tenant, Ayalegbe. You come to let, láti yá ilé, a house, from the landlord or landlady, lọ́wọ́ onílé, ọkùnrin tàbí obìnrin. Then the house itself is the landlord's property. Landlord's property. Ìyẹn ni pé ohun ìní onílé, òun ni ilé. It's not for the tenant now. Landlord, property, ohun ìní onílé. Then we come with some words like house rent. That's another beautiful word between landlord and tenant. House rent. What is house rent? Owó ilé. House rent. Owó ilé. Who pays? Tenant. To who? To the landlord. Onílé ló ń gba owó ilé lọ́wọ́ Ayalegbe. Tá bá ti sanwó ilé, what next? Receipt. That's another beautiful word between the landlord and the tenant. Receipt. That is house receipt. Ìyẹn ni ìwé ẹ̀rí pé mo san owó ilé. Ìwé ẹ̀rí house receipt. Ìwé ẹ̀rí pé mo san owó ilé. Then we have words like agreement. Agreement. That is the do's and don'ts that you agree together, that is binding on the two of you, the landlord and the tenants. Agreements. It's so common, we see it. You want to rent a house, you pay for agreement. What is agreement? That is the do's and don'ts there. Even though we now do it in a legal way. That's why you pay for it. You put it in a booklet. You can see it, you can read it. The do's and the don'ts. Tí Ayalegbe ń fẹ́, and tí onílé ń fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ayalegbe. Ntí mo fẹ́ rèé, ohun tí mi ò fẹ́ rèé. Àwọn eléyìí là ń pè ní ohun tí ó jọ so wá pọ̀. Ohun tí mo fẹ́, ohun tí mi ò fẹ́. And then again we have some words like lawyer will come in. If you want to have an agreement, lawyer will have to seal it. Lawyer, who is a lawyer? Agbẹjọ́rò. Lawyer, agbẹjọ́rò. Agreement seal. Èdìdí tí a fi dí ìwé ohun tá a jọ fọwọ́ sí. A máa wọlé láago báyìí, a máa jáde láago báyìí, a máa gbálẹ̀ ilé nígbà báyìí, a máa tún lé ṣe nígbà gbogbo, a máa sanwó ọlọ́dẹ, a máa sanwó dalẹ́nu. Gbogbo ohun tá a jọ fẹnu kò sí. Èdìdí tí a fi dí agreement seal. That is èdìdí tí a fi dí agreement seal. By who? Lawyer, agbẹjọ́rò. And we have another common word, commission. So common when you want to let a house. And what is commission? That is just the money that the agent will collect for his job or her job. And let's now even look at agent. Who is that house agent? Who is the house agent? House agent means ẹni tó ń bá ní wá ilé tí a fẹ́ gbé. Òṣìṣẹ́ fún onílé tó lọ bá wá èèyàn wá tó máa gbénu ilé. Òṣìṣẹ́ yẹn là ń pè ní agent. Agent yìí ó lè jẹ́ ọkùnrin. Agent ó lè jẹ́ obìnrin. Agent can be a male. Agent can be a female. Agent works for the landlord to look around for good people that will live with him or live in the house. Now, the agent now will collect commission. That is the fee, the money for the work he or she has done. There are still many other common words there. We talk of caution fee. Caution fee is just the amount you have to pay as insurance in case of any damage. That is the caution fee. Ìyẹn ni pé owó yìí ìta máa ń pè ní caution fee. Ìyẹn ni owó àsanlẹ̀ pé tí nǹkan kan bá bàjẹ́ a máa fi tún ṣe. Owó tí a ń sanlẹ̀ láti fi tún ohun tó bá bàjẹ́ ṣe, òun ni à ń pè ní caution fee. Owó tí à ń sanlẹ̀ láti fi tún ohun tí a bá bàjẹ́ ṣe. Ìyẹn ni pé tí ayálégbé tó bá bàjẹ́ nínú ilé onílé, owó tó sanlẹ̀ yìí òun ni à ń pè ní caution fee. Ó yàtọ̀ sí owó ilé o, ó máa sanwó ilé, á tún wá san caution fee pé tí nǹkan kan bá jẹ́ bàjẹ́, owó yìí la máa mú, òun la máa fi ṣe àtúnṣe ohun tí a bàjẹ́ nínú ilé. In case there is no damage, this kind of money is refundable. Under law, is refundable. What am I saying? Tí ẹni tó yálégbé tó ò bá ti bà nǹkan jẹ́, wàá gba owó ẹ padà nígbàkigbà tó bá ń kúrò ńbẹ̀. Ẹni pé refundable ni pé owó tá a lè dá padà ni. Refundable, owó tí a ń dá padà ni. If there is no damage, tá a bá ti bà nǹkan kan jẹ́. If there is no damage, tí a bá ti bà nǹkan kan jẹ́, it is refundable. A máa dá padà fẹ́ni tó ní owó. Now, still under landlords and tenants, common words, you hear quit notice. That's another common word, especially here in Lagos State. And what is quit notice? Quit notice means intention of the landlord or landlady to the tenant to leave his property. Maybe he wants to make use of the property, or for one reason or the other, he will show his intention by writing. You put it in writing. In most cases, lawyer does the writing and give to the tenants. Ìyẹn ni pé quit notice, ìwé tí onílé ń kọ sí ayálégbé pé kó jọ̀ọ́ kó bá ń fi ilé òun sílẹ̀, òun fẹ́ lò ó fún ìdí kan tàbí ìdí kejì. Òun ni à ń pè ní quit notice. Òun ló gbogbo wa mọ̀ jù pàápàá tá a bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ ayálégbé àti onílé, torí bá a bá ti wọlé níjọ́ kan, a máa kúrò nílé yẹn náà níjọ́ kan. Inú kó já wa fúnra wa la fi bẹ̀ lẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́, tàbí kó jẹ́ pé onílé ló fún ẹ ní ìwé filé mi sílẹ̀, mo fẹ́ lò ó, tí à ń pè ní quit notice. Filé mi sílẹ̀, mo fẹ́ ṣàtúnṣe tàbí mo fẹ́ lò, quit notice. But most times we live there even without receiving quit notice. For one reason or the other, God may be on your side, you just pack away on your own. But these are common words between landlords and tenants. But we must not forget that sometimes between landlord and tenants, there can be conflicts. What is conflicts? Èdèkòyédè. Conflicts, èdèkòyédè láàrin onílé ati ayalegbe. Conflicts between tenants and landlord. And when things like this happens, we have some civil organization or courts that can sit and or discuss or mediate between the two. I mean the landlord and the tenant. They will mediate between them and see that things come back to normal. So we cannot but find that we cannot but have such thing. Kí là ń sọ ni wípé tédèkòyédè bá ṣẹlẹ̀, a ní àwọn kan tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa ń jókòó, wọ́n á lè pe àtonílé àtayálégbé, wọ́n á jọ níkanjọ ní ìjókòó àlàáfíà to mediate, ìjókòó àlàáfíà láti rí wípé wọ́n bá wọn yanjú èdèkòyédè yìí. It is not a criminal matter. It is just a civil one. Pé kò ń ṣe ti ìpànìyàn àfẹ̀sùn ìyẹn kọ́, kì í ṣe pé àfẹ̀sùn ajínigbé, àfẹ̀sùn burúkú, ẹ̀sùn ńlá kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ṣùgbọ́n ahọ́n àtẹnujà ayálégbé àtonílégbé náà, èdèkòyédè lè ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn. Tédèkòyédè bá ṣẹlẹ̀, àwọn ìjókòó kọ̀ọ̀kan bẹ́ẹ̀ wà tó máa gbé wọn, tó máa mú lọ, tó máa jọ yanjú àìkògbọ́ra-ẹni-yé tàbí èdèkòyédè tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àárín wọn. I hope you learned something from today's video. We discussed about the tenants and landlord. Common words. Learn it, enjoy it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. tó bá gbádùn kankan tàbí tó sì rẹ́ kọ̀kọ̀kọ̀kọ̀ nǹkan náà ni wípé kò tẹ̀ wá láago. Nífẹ̀ẹ́ fi ránṣẹ́ sẹ́lòmíì, ẹ jọ wò ẹ kọ́ Yorùbá, ẹ kọ́ báwo la ti ń sọ, ẹ kọ́ kí ló yẹ ká sọ. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí tó bá ti tẹ̀ wá láago tó ti subscribe, gbogbo ètò wa lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan a máa dé sí àrọ́wọ́tó rẹ̀. Kó tó tún dìgbà míì ká tún wà lórí àkòrí tuntun mìíràn. Mo kí wa wípé láyọ̀ la ó pàdé o. See you in my next video. Bye.